Ready? Count the skip.
1. I'm filming real quick. Filming Luke. Luke's on a ride, bro. This is great. Look, he's chilling now. This tire feels amazing. On gravel. Dude, this tire's getting it right now.
We got the river.
Yeah.
Well, we're as far as we can go. You can go further, but it's...
go like over there.
Oh,
You mean you
Get some rocks, bro. Actually, you need to skip the rock, okay?
I did.
No.
hey, watch this.
I don't know what that was.
Dude, I skipped it, bro. They don't have big enough rocks here, bro. Alright, ready?
Hey, get both one wheels in the back.
That's 3.
Dude, this is right here. This is a one wheel shot right here, bro.
Alright.
Dude, that's the one right there. Hold on a sec.
Ready? Count the skips.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, like that.
Give me some of that.
Count that. Leave a comment how many that was, because I sure as heck can't count it.
I'll have to go back and review the footage.
Yeah.
make it, Luke? He's almost dead? So you just got done spinning it, taking it for a spin. What do you feel?
Feels more testy. Than
the tire does? Compared to what you normally ride?
yes.
What do you normally ride? A slick? Slick on the pint. Original stock This is stock pint tire. So you're saying this tire right here feels more attached to the ground.
Feels more controllable too.
Controllable? Take it for a spin real quick.